Hello, everybody. My name is Randy Carroll. I'm the strategic partner and channel manager here at Chime Technologies. Thank you for taking some time to join us, whether it's here on Zoom or on Facebook. We appreciate you. I'm really excited about our guest today, about the topic today. I'm here with Frans from Belgium and PieSync, and we are talking about how what PieSync brings to the table is going to connect all the technology in your business. And this is something that is especially exciting for me because over 5 years ago, when I got into the real estate tech world, there was this concept, this kind of golden goose everyone was chasing after, which was the all-in-one solution, right? Something that could handle your lead generation, your CRM, your transaction management, and it's all in one place. Fast forward 5 years, I've come to realize that that is every bit as much of a fable as a golden goose itself, right? So PieSync has been around not just in real estate, but in other realms, connecting pieces of technology, helping create what is artificially an all-in-one solution due to their syncs. So I'm excited to demo PieSync here today with you, learn a little bit more about the company itself and what type of practical applications it may have in your business. So with that being said, I'm going to pitch it over to Frans here. And Frans, thank you. Give us a little background about PieSync.
Thanks, Randy, for having me. PieSync's indeed been around for almost 8 years now, and it started off really small as one little sync, a data sync between a CRM, high-rise CRM, and Google Contacts. That was like a niche need that we discovered on a forum. So we started out marketing a very small sync. But in doing so, we actually developed a sync that we realized, you know what, we can actually do this with other apps as well and really pull off an actual two-way sync, because that's, once you figured out that's part of the puzzle, you can actually start scaling things up. That's really the reason why a lot of integrations, even in 2020, are doing the job, but maybe not always, right? They pull in data, but they don't really allow you to make changes back. Mm-hmm. So in 2012, we started out relatively small, but it was in 2016, 2017 that we really noticed, you know what, real estate agents, those apps, those CRM apps, they're super contact centric. A lot of it gets stored on the contact record. So we had the habit of releasing a new app every week, and that would have been an accounting app, something that sends emails. But then we really started focusing on real estate apps, and we gathered some success with it. We started a partnership with Keller Williams, which of course accelerated things even more. So we got a fair amount of real estate centric CRMs, real estate marketing apps already in our portfolio of available connectors, and then we're super happy to finally have Chime.
As of the Chime integration, I believe the number is at 242, right?
242, and that number keeps on growing, and no one needs all 242 apps. Let's be honest, but it's really our focus on making sure that we have one, if not several apps that you are using today in your business, mm-hmm. that you will find, it's relevant to make sure that the data that sits in those apps finds its way into Chime, and mm-hmm. vice versa.
Mm-hmm.